How to use Spotify collaborative playlist hidden. To use this feature, go ahead and open Spotify application on your device. From there, simply head to your library option from the bottom navigation bar. Then tap on the three-dotted menu icon. Once you open that specific playlist, tap on this three-dotted menu icon, and from here, scroll a little bit down and you should be able to find another option called Make Private. Now all you have to do is go ahead and enable this. Once you enable it, all you have to do is to share this playlist and make this a collaborative playlist, but also keep it hidden. Simply tap on this three-dotted menu icon once again, and from there select the Invite Collaborator option. Now once you tap on it, you can simply copy the link itself or tap any of the applications that you want to share with and send it to their DMs or even their chat box. And once they click on it, they should be able to join this playlist as well. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.